Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Editing Basic. In this video, we are going to learn how to add QR code in Canva. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. This is the homepage of the Canva website. Here on the top right corner, you can see create a design button. Click on it. Now choose your desired template. After that, you can see different options. On the left side, click on the apps and on the search bar, type in QR code. Now click on this first logo. Here you have to type in the URL and after that it will create the QR code of that URL. Here I am using an example of Google Maps. After that, copy this link and paste it here. Now click on generate code. And here you can see that this QR code has been generated by this Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries.